Do you want that smooth and ageless skin glow? Then drink this at least 2 times in a week. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this delicious drink or smoothie. I've got here pawpaw, carrots and banana. I'll go ahead and prepare them. Here I have them all washed and cut up. I have my bananas which I cut and froze for about 1 hour. The same thing I did with the pawpaw or papaya. And then I juiced my carrots. I have different videos of how to make carrot juice in my channel. I'll leave the links in the description box below. Now that everything is ready, let's go ahead and blend them. To make it more delicious and creamy, I'll be using this drinking yogurt. We call it fresho here. So I'll add everything into the blender. Sorry, I didn't know my blender wasn't showing very well. I have the yogurt, the pawpaw and the bananas in the blender. I'm going to blend that first before adding the carrot juice. That will help me to make it or blend it very smooth. And here we have it, very smooth. And you can take it this way if you want it thick, but I want it runny, so I will now add the carrot juice. And I have about 2 cups of carrot juice here, and I also added about a cup of yogurt. I'm making this for 3 servings, so it's going to be plenty. And here we have our carrot and papaya drink, very yummy and nutritious. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.